Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Aura Alia Adiki with student ID 2310924. So, in this video, I'm going to explain three important concepts in Systemic Functional Linguistics or SFL. I'll explain them using a relaxed teaching style, so the explanation feels more like mm, discussion rather than a formal lecture. The three concepts I will explain are theme rim, mood system, and transitivity system. These concepts are very important in understanding in understanding how language works to create meaning, especially in everyday communication. Enjoy! So, what is systemic functional linguistics or SFL? Systemic functional linguistics is a theory developed by Akahalidi. In this theory, language is seen as a research for making meaning in social context. This, mean, this means that language is not only about grammar rules or sentence structures, but also about how language is used by people to communicate ideas, feelings, and experiences in real situation. Next, overview of topics. In this presentation, I will focus on three main systems in SFL. First is theme ring, which is related to how information is organized in a clause. Second is the mood system, which focuses on interaction. And the third is the transitivity system, which explains how experiences are represented in language. These three systems work together to help us understand meaning in language. Next, theme rim in basic concept. Let's start with theme and rim. Theme is the element that comes first in a clause and works as the point of departure of the message. In other words, themes tells us what the clause is about. Uh, Rim is everything that comes after the theme and provides new information. For example, the teacher explains the lesson clearly. In this sentence, the teacher is the theme because it is placed at the beginning of the clause. The rim explains the lesson clearly because it gives more information about the teacher. The structure helps the message sound clear and organized. Next, unmarked and marked theme. In SFL, theme can be unmarked or marked. An unmarked theme usually starts with the subject, which is the most common and neutral pattern. marketing starts with another element, such as an adverb of time or place to give emphasis to certain information. So, for example, in the morning, the students study English. In this example, in the morning is a marketing because it comes before the subject and highlights the time of the activity. Thematic, next, thematic progression. There is no thematic progression that is include constant theme and linear theme. Thematic progression refers to how themes are developed across sentences in a text. For example, text can keep using the same theme, which is called constant theme, or it can use information from the dream of one sentence as theme the theme of the next sentence, which is called a linear theme. This helps the text feel connected and coherent. Next, mood system in basic concept. So we move on the mood system. The mood system focuses on interaction between speakers and listeners. It it helps us understand whether a clause is used to give information, as a question, or give a comment. This system is important in understanding how communication works. Next, mood structure and example. In SFL, the mood is made up of the subject and the finite. Everything else in the clause is called the receipt, which completes the message. For example, she can speak English fluently. In this sentence, she functions as the subject. Can is the finite, and the rest of the sentence is the residue. Next, the process types. This I will explain before. There is 3 process types. One is material, 2 mental, and 3 relational. These process types helps classify experiences. The materials process show actions, mental processes show thoughts or feelings, and relational processes show states or relationships. Each process type has a different role in meaning making. Next is transitivity system in basic concept and examples. The transitivity systems explains how experiences are represented in language. It looks at what is happening, who is involved, and under what circumstances. For example, the student writes an essay. The sentence uses a material process because it shows a clear action. The student is the actor, writes, writes is the process, and an essay is the goal affected by the action. So, for summarizing this topic, in this SFL, or systemic functional linguistic, theme ring helps us organize information in a clause. The mood system help us understand interaction, and the transitivity system help us describe experience. Together, these systems show how language functions to create meaning. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.